Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today got me and my buddy are replacing this indoor coil. We already did, he's doing the filter dryer right now, but I wanted to show you what was going on with this job in particular. Was that as soon as it kicked on, it would pump down on the suction side immediately and go off on low head pressure. So what ended up being the issue was that the TXV was not opening up. So I have a video on how to do that, or how to check, but let me see here, where is that? I can find it here. I found exactly what, oh, here it is. I don't know if you can see that in the light, but that, I don't know, can you see that? Pretty much what it is, if you can't see it on there, I can't tell if you can or not, but pretty much it's happened before. The manufacturers, when they're building them, whoever the guy that is putting this together, puts this up against a sharp edge inside of the cabinet, and after years of rubbing against that sharp edge, it ends up breaking this sensing bulb off, almost completely off. It's pretty bent up right there. I don't know if you can see, but essentially that'll ruin the TXV. And if you can see, this TXV does not have a head that can be just changed out. This is one of those Danfoss TXVs that you can't just unscrew the power head and put a new one on. So we were gonna do just the TXV, but we opted out. We gave the owner the option to, since we were already opening up the whole system and the coil was all rusted, to just throw in a new indoor coil. And they said, sure, let's do that. So come over here. We're not done yet, but you can see here's the new coil, nice and clean, and the new TXV obviously. But yeah, I mean, just keep that in mind. I know we don't build these things, but let me know if you found this scenario. This is not the first time I've seen this. It's probably, I don't know, maybe the 5th or 6th time I've seen it happen. Or sometimes it'll even be these little cap tubes that'll be rubbing up against a sharp edge, because when they put them together in the manufacturer's plant, they put them up against a sharp edge, and then after years of it just rubbing and rubbing and rubbing, it springs a leak. So that's pretty much it. Just wanted to let you know what we're out here doing. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.